Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a poll in your Telegram group or channel. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up engaging poll questions, customize your options, and make your group or channel more interactive. Whether you're wanting quick feedback from your community, running a fun quiz, or just sparking a conversation, creating polls on Telegram is an easy way to do it, so let's dive right in. First, open up your Telegram app and head over to the group or channel where you want the poll to appear. This is important. Polls only work in a group or channel environment, not in private one-on-one chats. So if you're chatting directly with someone, you won't see the poll option. Once you're inside your group or channel, take a moment to make sure you're in the right spot, especially if you manage multiple groups or channels. You wouldn't want your poll popping up somewhere unintended. Now look at the bottom of your screen near the message input field and find the attachment icon, the little paperclip. It's usually right next to the text field. If it's hiding or you don't see it immediately, just tap into the message area and it should spring to life along with your keyboard. That attachment icon is your gateway to posting more than just text. It unlocks things like pictures, files, and of course, polls. Go ahead and tap that attachment icon. You'll see a menu pop up with several content options. Here you'll want to select poll. If you scroll or swipe through the menu and don't spot it at first glance, don't worry, it's definitely there, just check carefully. Once you've hit the poll option, you'll be prompted to enter your poll's question. At the top, you'll see something like Ask a Question. Tap there and type in whatever you want your group or channel to vote on. It could be a straightforward yes/no question, something fun like what movie should we watch this weekend, or maybe a quiz question if you're testing knowledge. Pause here and make your question clear and concise so your group members don't get confused about what you're asking. Next up, the answer options. Below the question, you'll see several fields labeled poll options. Start by typing your first possible answer. For example, if you're planning a meetup, your options might be locations. Telegram lets you add up to 10 options, which gives you tons of flexibility. Tap Add an option or use the next available field to keep adding choices. If you change your mind or need to edit an option, you can simply tap the field and update it. Easy. Scrolling down, you'll see some additional poll settings. Don't skip these, they let you customize how your poll works. The first choice is anonymous voting. If you want participants to feel free to vote honestly without revealing their answers, keep this on. Usually it's selected by default. If you want your group to pick multiple options, say for a lunch order or activity list, toggle multiple answers so they can select more than one. And for quiz-style polls where you want to mark a correct answer, select quiz mode. Telegram even lets you add a short explanation for the correct answer, which is great for educational communities or playful competitions. Finally, you're ready to share your poll. Check over your question and options one last time, then tap Create or Post. Your poll will appear instantly in the group or channel, ready for votes. Give people a moment to see it and respond. It might take a few minutes for the first answers to come in, especially in larger channels. And there you have it. You've just made an interactive Telegram poll from scratch. If you have any questions or run into something unexpected, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more simple and clear how-to videos on Telegram and lots of other apps. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.